Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I'm going to test this Commodore 64. But in order to do that, I need to move this one out of the way. I'm not going to put in the Bradley's basic cartridge at this time. Or sorry, I'm not going to put it in a new one because I don't know if it even works. And I certainly wouldn't want to harm the cartridge. I would not. Okay. So what do we got here? We have power. Okay, the power switch is on. So we'll turn it off. The monitor is here. We'll put it in. The board is very loose in here. I think most of the screws are gone. This is, as I say, it's a typical sort of rough life school board machine. And is it going to work? I don't think so. But we see a flash. That's a good sign. But nothing else. So, oh, and I did put the screws back into this. I did. Oh. You know what? This might be a time to try something. This is a brand new cartridge. It is. Once again, it's factor of match. Oh dear, I dropped something. I dropped some packing. Anyway, this is the Des Test Max. And what it is supposed to do is, if certain chips are working, it will tell you things. So it's basically a dead test. But it will do things that other dead tests don't do. Now, once again, if it has to have certain chips that are working, or it won't do anything. So, and usually they take a little while to start up these things. And so far, I'm seeing nothing, which may mean, and I would have to check with Rudy or somebody. There, as I say, there are certain chips. If they're not working, you get nothing, and that's just the way it is. So I'm going to look at this one for a second. Let's see. Oh no, this is not a good one to be testing things or checking out chips because most of the chips. Oh yeah, there's only one chip in here that is socketed, except for the video chip. That's the PLA chip. And it is a common failure. It is. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Time out for a second. Hello? 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 Oh dear. Okay. Calls that don't go through. Let's see. Am I on a good network here? Am I? I am. So perhaps I'll try to call. Let's see if this works. Hello? Yes. You will be ready? Okay. Give me a few minutes, and I'll send you or I'll call you back as I'm leaving. Okay. Very good. See you soon. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn this machine off. I'm not discouraged that this cartridge does not do anything because I did not expect it to do anything. I don't know what's wrong at all with this computer. I have no clue. No clue. None at all. But I can, because I do have to go soon. But I have this other 64 here. And it does have... Oh! I hate that. Alright, I have... where to put things? Put it over here. I have a PLA chip here handy. Now you got to be careful because on some boards, PLA chip and the SID chip are in reverse. Oh, and this is one of them. This is one of them. This would have been bad if I had done this. So I'm not going to do it. What I will do, because I'm here and I can, is, and you know what? I think my bag of tricks that I took to the world of Commodore is still in the car, and that is foolish. Maybe I should stop now. Maybe I should not. All right. I am going to take this regular screwdriver, stick it in through the bottom of this machine. I'm going through the cassette port with great care and reverence. I will pull out the SID chip. And then I will set this up here. And because that's the chip that I can do nicely and easily. And then here in this machine, come on. Now I've never used this other cartridge to know if it does a sound check. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. But anyway, on these two boards, oh dear, I dropped another screw. So this is where the SID chip is on this board, which is a 250407. And on this other board, this is where the SID chip is. They are literally reversed. They are. And if you don't pay attention, you can do some serious damage. And that is no fun. You just gotta be careful. And it's weird how literally everything else is, pretty much lines up the same. But somehow or another they said, hey, you know what? We could move that chip and we could move that chip. We could. All right. So that is off. That is on. I'm going to pull out Bradley's Basic. Set it here. I'm going to take the Des Test Max. Put it in here. And then the power is off. The power is off. All right. Okay. And I'm going to turn it on. See what we see. Well, that was fast. I didn't even see what it said. Anyway, it is running through testing things. So this may not have been the thing. Check sound. FactorofMath.com, version 0.1, August 29th, 2024. License to Retro Rewind. Okay, I want to turn this off for a second, because there was something came up at the start. I really couldn't tell what it said. I will wait for a moment. I will turn it on. I still couldn't see what it said. I don't like resetting things this quickly. Hang on. Grave order failing to. Okay, it's telling me things. All right, it is testing, and it is fine, but it is not. It is not what is needed at this moment to test the SID chip, but that's okay. I'm going to leave this running. There we go. Because I got to go. And I will continue with this when I get back, and we'll see what we can find in terms of what's wrong with this 64. We shall. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. Happy holidays. And whatever you celebrate, I hope you have a grand old time. David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.